I've gotten a little bit picky. I went to Old Sled Works. I had a lot of fun. I went to Northgate. I saw some great stuff, but nothing that was like really catching my eye. I've found so many great deals recently that I've just kind of, you know, raised my bar a little. I've been trying to be really thrifty with what I spend and how many items and what I pick up, because I'm trying to keep the stuff moving. So I'm gonna go to Bedford Street now. I'm kind of hoping they got some Christmas out. I'm still looking for that special something for my Christmas sale. What is this reindeer? How strange. It is vintage. Kind of unusual. I don't think I've seen one quite like this. I'm really tempted to get it, but I am nervous about its, yeah, it's falling apart on me. Now, the reason I took such a pause is because I looked up and I saw this one. Now, these are really hard to find in colors, and it's got the original strap of Jingle Bells in perfect condition. It's $15, but then it's 20% off. I'm thinking I might hold on to this for $12. It's a pretty special item, considering it's in like mint condition especially. Yeah, so I made it upstairs. This is what I'm most excited about. I love going upstairs. You really never know what you're gonna find up here. I see more Santa salt and pepper shakers hiding around the corner here. How much are these ones? $6. That's a really good price. They've got a little paint loss. I don't really mind for that price, but I'm still being a little picky. Oh, what a fantastic blow mold. Is this a radio? What's going on? Oh my gosh. That is so dangerous. Hold on, let me put my camera down. There's like a straight up machete that just fell out at me. Well, I can see now it's not a radio. I'm gonna leave everything in there as it is and walk away slowly. Here's one of those Napco reindeer planters. $10, that's a really good price. It's missing a little bit of its paint. I've had that one a few times. In good condition, it sold for $34. This is the section I get in the most trouble here. I'm just gonna go, look at this little funny snowman, how cute. This is a pretty great string holder. I love that it's got its twine. It really displays well. Here's one of those funny Cupid-esque dolls, $6. That's a good price. I've had that one a bunch. Did I look at this last time? This guy's a great size, and he's only $8. That's super cheap too. But what is going on in here? I am excited to open that, and so far it's been a little underwhelming, but still not seeing anything. Dang. Kind of figured that might be a gasp moment. What is this duck? It's pretty great with the hat. I like her bonnet. Oh, wow. Look at this one. Ah! What a fabulous bank. I love him. These are great popcorn art. Wow. And it's on the wood mount. That is fantastic. Let me see if I missed anything on this side. I can kind of see through the chicken wire. No, there's nothing else there I didn't see. I really like this Frosty with the tree brush. He's a lamp. $29 is a good retail price. Not really for resale though. Look at this. That is fantastic. $12 is a super cheap price for that too. I'm wondering if there's something I'm missing about it. Maybe the fact that it's missing its light is what's doing it. No, there's a little knee hugger hiding in here, but it's $14. That's about what I get after fees for those guys. I love this pink tree, even though it's new. Last time I was here, I found a bunch of great salt and pepper shakers, like the bowling set. All right, what's going on with the little ornaments? Wow! Very cute, but nothing that's one of those little flocked reindeer. That one's not worth very much. Maybe a couple bucks. Yeah. Nothing. Oh, here are these Reindeer. Those are $4 each. That's a really great price. I like the thicker material though. Okay, so speaking of salt and pepper shakers, looks like, how do you open this? Oh, duh. I am gonna take this shelf by shelf. Of course, these deer are the first ones I see. $5. They're not the most defined, but I might get them anyway. And then the little funny monks. I like that they have their original fur hair trim. I've had them a few times. Now, okay, I can't ignore these penguins. What? I think this is a really good set. I feel like I looked this up recently or looked something up like it and accidentally stumbled upon these. For $6, I'm grabbing them. Now, the other ones I was looking at are these mushrooms here. Got a little wear. They're $12. Why are they so expensive? I guess because they're that cool. That's fair. I can't really do much with that for resale. I might be able to eke out a couple dollars on them, but these owls are fun. They got a little bit of wear. I'm gonna leave them. It's not my favorite. And then we have these skunks hiding back here. They're missing their bench, and honestly, I have that set. I've been stuck with it for a couple years. Let's see if I can even fit back here. Yeah, this is all the same stuff that was here the last time. It's a funny planter. Yeah, I'm not really seeing anything that really screams out at me. This is a freaking cool tension pole lamp. Whoa, that's neat. What a fabulous blow mold Santa. I really love him. He's got a great face. So I really love this celluloid deer, but I'm just like, I don't know. I'm having a second thought about it. I don't think it's gonna return as much as I'd like, and I'm nervous I'm gonna damage it. I think I'm gonna leave it here for a collector. Oh my gosh. Okay, hold on. This is crazy. So I saw the Hold Howard dogs, then I saw these cats. Why are they $3? This is a really good set. I'm gonna take these for $3. But this is unbelievable. I think these are Hold Howard. I'm like 99% sure. And they're $5 each. Sold. I've never even seen one of these in person before. Yeah, those are Hold Howard. Those are coming with me. Okay, but I also just noticed all this happening. I'm not expecting to get that lucky again. Oh, but maybe I am. I love the fuzzy Santa salt and pepper shakers. Those are pretty hard to find. They've got a little damage, but for $5, I'm not gonna hold it against them. And now we have another little Josef's original elf, $5, gonna take that. And then this is exactly what I was talking about with the deer, the thicker rubber, 4 for $15. It's a really good price. Yeah, now I don't feel bad about putting that other deer back. I think I'm gonna go ahead and grab these. That's a really good price, and they're in really good condition. And that's the kind I look for. There's so many different variations. Also, look at these little ornaments. These are so sweet. Josefa Originals? I've never even seen that. I might look those up. I did find a couple variations of them. They're a really great price for a collector. There's still a little room for them at resale, but I think I'm just gonna keep on looking here. What are these? Made in China, that's what I thought. The lighting in here is a little funky, so forgive me. Oh, so cute. And this guy, fire bucket ashtray. I don't know, I think I might have found all this stuff there is to get really, really excited about. I am gonna take a closer look over here though, after finding all those deals. Like, what about this vinyl stuffed with the roses? That is cute. $15. That's about what I get for this. I've looked at this pose doll before. Yeah, I'm gonna have to sneak in here just to make sure I'm not missing anything really obvious. I think these are, yeah, Nesco. Those aren't my favorite. And I've had this a bunch of times. The Huldah Howard dogs are great, but I don't know. I've seen them so many times, but they are tall for that price. I mean, yeah, let me not be weird. I'm just gonna grab them. They're in really great condition. So in total, I spent $62 there, $126 in total for the day. Now, I didn't find any of the special Christmas items I was looking for, but it doesn't really matter because I walked away with those incredible Holt Howard bobby pin holders, which is really, I mean, an incredible find. I've never even seen them in person before.